Before you scroll down and register, I want you to make a note of this. I want you to join, but not for the wrong reason. I'll tell you why. Because this workshop isn't for everyone. Yes, and I'd rather like you to know this now before registering so that you do not waste your 2 precious hours of evening. So let me tell you, if you are a coach, you already know that feeling. You have consumed multiple courses, you have done lots of other learnings from different mentors, but you're still stuck. You don't know why, because you have not been monitored and mentored by somebody who has actually gone through the journey and they have not connected with you in your journey. That's the differentiator. So the problem was never that you didn't know enough. It's already there. You have known enough of the learnings and you have executed almost none of it. That's the problem. And even if you have tried doing it, you have done it the wrong way because there was no proper mentoring and monitoring parallelly going along with you. Right? So, this 2 day workshop is built around exactly that gap where I talk about positioning, content, and the start of a sales system that actually converts. Real teaching, both 2 days, nothing held back. Yeah. Now, let me tell you who this workshop is not for. If you are somebody who wants a free hack, a quick template, or something to consume today and forget by the next day, sorry, it is not for you. I'm not gonna hold anything back in these 2 days, but I'm gonna ask you to show up both the sessions every day from beginning till the end and actually do that work in the room along with me. That's the differentiator. It's execution on the spot. And if you're not ready to open your laptop and rebuild your positioning live with me and the other activities which you are gonna do together, please save your spot and send it to somebody else. It's not for you. Be very clear. I don't want anybody who don't want to execute and register. Simple. But if you are a coach who has tried anything and everything, who is tired of guessing everything and anything, who has done enough learning and is finally ready to execute, it's the best time you should keep watching this video. Yeah. So in these 2 sessions, 2 hours each, we are covering the same 3 pillars which I use with every coach I work with. Day one, we talk about the fundamentals, which includes positioning that makes you the obvious choice so the right clients picks you without you chasing, right? Or convincing them. And day two, a pre-selling system that actually attracts leads and it starts the beginning of a sales conversation framework that doesn't feel pushy or salesy, right? So you leave with real clarity, not just notes. Remember, coaches who have gone through this framework have gone from 0 clients in 2 years to their first paid clients in weeks. Not because of a hack, but because they finally executed. That's the difference. Now, one major thing, I'm not gonna promise you clients by coming Friday. Remember, anyone who is promising you is lying to you. As simple as that, I'm very blunt and upfront. So, what I'll tell you is the coaches who have built real, sustainable businesses all did the same thing. They stopped consuming and started executing with someone in the room, correcting them in real time, which me and my team is gonna do with you, right? That's what these 2 days are with a real taste of that, not a safe speech dressed up as a workshop, which normally you might be seeing. Yes. So if that's you, if you can relate to it, register now. The button is below. Show up for both the days. Do the work with me live, and you leave with more clarity than most coaches get from a 20,000 rupees course. That's my promise. And if by the end you want to go further, yes, I'll show you exactly what that look like. And I will be giving you an option without any pressure, without any pitch fest. Simple. I'll give you just an option if you want it. That's it. See you in the room. Bye bye.